Oh, you ready for me again? Sorry. So I told you a little bit about myself. So now it's time for me to tell you a little bit about what I listen to. Okay, well I can tell you this. It won't be too soon before I'm listening to Maroon 5. Since I'm a good girl gone bad, I love Rihanna. I also love Kelly Clarkson. I have a little bit of Carrie Underwood. Definitely Fergie. Timbaland is a must. Oh yes, Timbaland is a must. And I can't forget about T.I. and Kanye West. So that's a little bit about what I have downloaded to my music archives and what I love to listen to. So now that you know about myself and what I like to listen to, now it's time to go to part 3.